Hello, students. Good morning. I'm sure that you all are good and you are practicing English daily with your family members. Okay, students, it's day 6 of our English conversation class, and today we are going to study some interesting topic, that is the sentences that we can use while we are on the call or while we are on the phone. Okay, so these are the sentences that you can use in a telephonic conversation, right? When you're talking to a person on a phone, right? So, what all you can use, how you can start, and what all sentences in English you can use while making a call or while attending a call, right? So, we are going to discuss all the related topics, okay? So, students, to begin with, the first thing we do is to introduce, right? Introduction. And that's first of all, we'll discuss about formal introduction, right? Formal means when you are, talking to a teacher or, a one who's talking to the boss, right? Oh, so the first thing you can do is, hi, hello, this is, then you tell your name. This is your name. And in your case, as a student, you can say, this is this from Adnath Public School, and I'm from the section this and your class also, right? Okay, in for the senior students, like for the senior ones, they can include their company name and all, right? Okay, so this is the way you can introduce yourself in a formal way, right? Now let's talk about informal way. So in an informal call, what you can say is hi or hey, the name of that person to whom you have called, right? जो आपके friend को आपने call किया है, right? Hey, it's and then your name, right? Okay. And how you can move further? How's it going? This we have discussed yesterday only. How's it going? How are you? What's up? Okay, and the replies also have told you in the previous video. Good, great, thanks. Not much, the usual, right? This is the way you can introduce. Now, asking for someone. In case that person to whom you want to talk hasn't picked up the call. If someone else, like any of his family member has picked up the call, so how you can ask for him? May I speak to the name of that person? Like, may I speak to Douglas Adams? Could I speak to or could I speak with that person? Okay. Or I would like to speak to the name of the person, please. I would like to speak to Vijay Kumar, please. Okay. Could I speak with Mary Smith? Now, asking for someone in an informal way. Like, is this person there? Is Doug there? Okay, is Mary around? क्या वो आसपास हैं? Can I talk to anyone the name of the person? Okay, this is an informal way when you're talking to your friends and all. Okay, now purpose of the call. कि आप कैसे बताओगे why you have called? I'm calling to ask about. Then you can say the reason. Could you tell me? Then the thing. जिसलिए आपने फ़ोन किया है, right? Okay, then what about informal way? I just wanted to ask this one. Okay, then your reason for calling. Okay, next one is asking when someone will be available, like asking when that would be that person available, कब वो आपसे अच्छे से बात कर सकते हैं. So when would be a good time to call? You can ask when would be a good time to call. When will he or she be back? कब वो वापस आएंगे? Okay, do you know when she'll be back? These are some of the ways, right? Now, leaving a message. So students, in some cases the person is not at home, the one whom you want to talk, the person is not at home, so any of his family member may pick up the call. So you can ask, could you take a message for him? क्या आप उन्हें देने के लिए एक message लोगे? I would like to leave her a message. Please ask her to call me back. Could you ask him to call me back? Okay. Please tell him or her that I am in town, कि मैं आ गया हूँ वापस. Okay, please let her know that I would like to meet her. Okay, so these are some of the messages you can give to that person, right? Whether to call you back or whatever. So students, these were some of the sentences you could use while you have made a call. जब आपने call किया है, right? While you have made a call. Okay, now let's talk about when we take a call. Okay, so introduction again, formal, good morning, afternoon. Then again, if you can tell your name of the company and all. Okay, Now let's see about introduction. How you can give your introduction. So whenever you are like, you have just took a call, किसी का call आया है. So first of all you'll greet and then you'll say, even you can ask, how may I help you? What can I do for you today? Right? आप पूछते हो ना कि क्या काम है. Instead of that you should use this politely. How may I help you? Right? Next, asking who's calling. So in case it's unknown number, right? So what you can do, could I ask who's calling? May I ask who's calling? Who's calling, please? Where are you calling from? Please. These are the polite ways, right? In which you can ask who's calling, right? So instead of asking who are you can use these questions. They'll look nice. They'll sound nice, right? Now, next thing would be the telling the caller to wait. So in case you are calling that person to whom the one who has called want to talk, to just tell him to wait or to hold. So what all you can use? Please hold, let me transfer you, I'll put you through now, I'm connecting you now. Okay, telling the caller to wait, like just a moment, hold on, hang on a second. Oh, these are some of the ways in which you can tell the caller to wait, right? To hold. Okay, next one is, so in case the person whom the caller wants to talk with is not available, ठीक है, वो नहीं है घर पे. So how you can reply? I'm sorry, he's on another call right now. I'm sorry, she's not here today. I'm afraid he's not available at the moment. I'm afraid she has left for the day. He's not in his office right now, right? So these are some of the ways in which you can say that the person is not available. Okay, so these are some of the polite ways which you should use, right? Now, talking about it, she's out of town. Let's say she's out of town. She's out of town. He's not home right now. She isn't back from work yet. He has gone to the movies with his friends. So whatever the reason may be, you can add that, but should be polite one, right? Okay. Now let's see, taking a message. If you want to take a message, the person is not at home, right? And if something urgent would be there, so you can ask, can I take a message? Would you like to leave a message? I'll give her your message as soon as she gets back. I'll ask him to call you as soon as he gets back. I'll let her know that you called. Right? कि मैं बता दूंगा उनको कि you call, आपका call आया था. So these are some of the ways you can ask for message. Right? If something urgent, तो आप उनको कुछ message दे सकते हो, कुछ बात है तो वो कह सकते हो. Right? So these are some of the ways in which you can. Okay. Now, handling a miscalled or misdialed call. It's very important. In short, handling a wrong number. Right? If someone wrong called. Right? I'm sorry, there's nobody here by that name. Instead of saying wrong number, you can say, I'm sorry, there's nobody here by that name. I think you have dialed the wrong number. I think you have dialed the wrong number. Right? Now, asking for information on the phone. So, like, if you want to ask something on the phone, so you can be like, would you happen to know? Then the thing that you want to ask. Can you give me whatever you want to ask, dates, details, या फिर कुछ भी आपको चाहिए. Can I have whatever, your name, number please, or your address, or whatever, right? So these are the ways in which you can ask for information, right? Next one is checking information. Like we recheck na, especially in case of any phone number or digit, we recheck, right? कि आप repeat करो number. So in that case you can say, could you spell that for me again? Let me read that back to you. कि मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ. You can also say, can you repeat it please? Or could you spell that again for me? Let me read that back to you again. Okay. So in case you want to recheck the information provided, right? So these are the ways in which you can ask for it. Okay. So in case sometimes we have a difficulty with the call, like whether network problem, we are unable to hear or whatever. So how can you, formal expressions for that are, sorry, I can't hear you very well. Could you speak a little more loudly, please? Could you speak up a little? Would you mind speaking a little more slowly? Can you repeat that? Could I call you back, please? It looks like we had a bad connection. So these are very soft and polite expressions that you can easily use if you're having difficulty with a call. Like there's a network problem, or you are unable to hear, or whatever. You can use these easily. Now the next is making arrangements, like making plans. How about next Friday, like you want to meet? Okay, so you can ask कि we generally say it ना कि Friday कैसा रहेगा. So in that case you can say how about next Friday, or now how about next Sunday. Would tomorrow work for you? ये क्या कल सही है, right? Or would Sunday work for you? Shall we say the date? You can say the date on which you can do your work. So these are some of the ways in which you can ask the other person whether he's free on that day, or whether they should meet or do their work on particular day. Now making a request, like how you can just request that person on the phone, like, could you send me the details by email please? वुड यू माइंड कॉलिंग बैक टुमारो? क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है अगर आप कल फिर से कॉल करते हो तो? ओके, सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द वेज इन विच यू कैन मेक रिक्वेस्ट फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग. नाउ हाउ टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू अ रिक्वेस्ट. In case someone makes some request to you, so how you can respond? Yes, I would be happy to, right? Sure, no problem, I'll email you the details right away. Sorry, I can't do that, I'm afraid I don't have that information, I'll have to get back to you on that. So first three are the ways in which you can respond positively. Okay, and other three are the ways in which you can you cannot do that work. So you should be polite enough. Never be rude on a call, or although anyway, never be rude. Okay, now ending the call. How we should end a call? So formally, it should be, it was nice talking to you. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your time. Thanks for calling. Have a nice day. These are the ways in which you can reply formally. Formal call को आप कैसे end करोगे, right? So these are the ways. These are very good and polite ways of ending a call. Now, ending a call in in an informal or semi-formal way, it would be, anyway, I should get going. Take care, you too. Talk to you later. Bye. These are some of the ways of ending an informal call. Okay, informal जो call होती है, when you're talking to your friends and all, you can just say these. I should get going. Take care. Bye. Talk to you later. All these, right? So students, these were some of the sentences you can easily use in a telephonic conversation, and these will be very useful for you. If you start practicing, if you start using them, you'll notice that these are, the basic ones. These come in use daily, right? They are so necessary to be known. Okay, so please practice them. Write them down, all of them, right, in your notebook. And do practice them in your day-to-day life, talking with your family members, your parents, and you can call your friends even to practice it, right? Okay, so these will be very useful for you students, even now and even for future. So please be serious, start practicing from now only, and you'll find them so useful, right? Again, you can make a short video out of it. For this session, you can make a short video while you're just assuming that you're talking to a friend, right, on phone, and you can talk to any of your family member. So it should be conversation between two. Okay, assuming that it's a telephonic conversation. So prepare a short video. You can take any of your sibling with you, okay, so that you can talk, and it should be a telephonic conversation between two of you, right? It could be assumed that it's a telephonic one, right? I hope you have understood all the expressions. Keep practicing, students. So I'll see you in your next class. Till then, take care.